Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Gemini canvas to make a website. So firstly, you need to trigger the canvas. It's pretty simple. Open up your tools and click on canvas to activate the mode. And now we are ready to input our prompt. Mine is going to be this one. Also, don't forget, the better model you choose, the better the result you will get. The best one is Thinking in Pro. And then send it. Then Canvas will automatically open a side-by-side view. On the left is your code, and on the right is a live preview. Also, if you don't like the font, you can just say something like this, and the changes will be applied automatically, but just make sure to wait until the website is generated. And also, if you want a refinement, you can use the Edit tool in Canvas to highlight specific sections of code you want the AI to rewrite without touching the rest of your sites. Then, once you're ready and once it's perfect, you can hit on deploy or share right here to make sure your site is live. Then you can also generate it directly with Google Cloud or Firebase, giving you a temporary staging URL instantly. So that's how you create a website quickly, guys. Enjoy the tutorial. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to like and subscribe.